Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add a Stripe webhook step by step. Don't worry, it's very easy, even for beginners. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the right menu and click on Settings. Now search for webhooks. On the webhooks page, click the Add Endpoint button. This is where Stripe will send data to your website. Next, select the events you want to listen to. Now, go to your website or application and copy your webhook URL. For WordPress or WooCommerce, this is usually something like this. Paste this URL into the endpoint URL field in Stripe. That's it. You have successfully added a Stripe webhook to your website. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.